Welcome to another video on how to maximize your time and profit more with EverLogic. Today we'll be discussing the EverLogic mobile app. The EverLogic mobile app is designed to make life easier for dealership technicians, salespeople, managers, and those who input new vehicle inventory. Additionally, the EverLogic mobile app users experience more profit through increased efficiency and accountability. The EverLogic mobile app allows your technicians to manage tasks, take pictures, increase efficiency, and seamlessly transition from EverLogic Core Desktop to the EverLogic mobile app. Once your technician has logged into the EverLogic mobile app, they will be able to see their current assigned jobs, update the repair order job lines, track job times, add parts, view job details, and capture and upload pictures. As you can see here on the dashboard, you can see your work stats, last completed and open jobs. Now, let's hop on over and see some features for your salespeople. The EverLogic mobile app allows your salespeople to quote sales anywhere and anytime, add new customers on the spot, sync all of the most important information, and look up inventory all from their mobile device. The main components of the EverLogic mobile app that I'm going to show you are searching existing customers, adding a new customer, searching existing vehicles, and adding new vehicles. When you log into the EverLogic mobile app, you can see customers, inventory, and quotes all on the left-hand side. This is where you will be able to add or search new and existing entries. For example, click on the Customer button. Here, you can search for existing customers and add new customers on the fly. To search for an existing customer, enter their first name, last name, or phone number, and click Search. If you would like to add a new customer, simply enter the information and then click Save. If you are someone who enters new inventory, you can take advantage of the EverLogic mobile app as well. You can also add photos of your inventory into the EverLogic mobile app. It is important to note that you can't find all of the vehicle's information that you may need in the EverLogic mobile app that is available in EverLogic Core Desktop. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I hope it helped you learn more about the EverLogic's mobile app. If you have any questions or would like to learn more about how EverLogic can help your dealership grow, give us a call at 904-998-4066. Email us at support@everlogic.com or schedule a free demo by clicking on the link below.